What's up, y'all? It's your average sneaker guy, and I'm back with another video. But this time, I'm gonna show y'all how to lace y'all Air Jordan 1 highs. Now let's get into it. Okay, we all know the Jordan 1s come laced up like this with the one line right there. Now, what you want to do, you want to take it and you want to make sure that you start off evenly. As you can see, it is not. It's about that much short right there. So you want to adjust that to make sure you get both sides evenly. So we're gonna take a little off this side and put a little bit more on this side right here. Now bam, now we even. Now, depending on how you want to do it, I like to do mine. I like to loop mine in from the outside in. Some people like to do theirs from the inside out. But how I'm gonna show y'all from the outside in. I like to go from the outside, then I go bam, inside. And I also make sure I keep a hold on the sneaker. I hold the sneaker firm, and I make sure I keep the lace straight as it's going in. Cause you don't want those sideways laces when you lacing them up. And then you take the other one, go outside in. Like I said, hold the sneaker firm. Put a finger right here between the loop of the shoestring to make sure you keep it even. And bam, we got our first lace right there. You see how nice that look? That's how you want to keep it nice and clean as you go all the way up. And all you got to do is continue the whole process all the way up. Now we're gonna fast forward this and into some time lapse. That way y'all know how to sit here and watch the whole video of me lacing up this sneaker. I know it's gonna get boring, but enjoy the show right now. Okay, now I got this all the way laced up, all the way until the mid right here. You see how nice and clean that pattern is? That's how you want your laces to be, nice and clean. You don't want no loops and no sideways laces going. Now remember earlier in the video I said I like to lace mine from the outside in, but once I get to this point right here, that's when I always do the inside out. So I will lace it up from the inside out right here. Because the reason I like to do it from the inside out at the top, because I like to have my laces hanging. I don't never tie my Air Jordan 1s. I like to keep it hanging. So once you get to the top, and 9 times out of 10, I never go to the top. I never go to the top. I always have it right here in the first slot right here. But once you get right here, that's when you go inside out. That way you can have the laces hanging. And depending on how much you want your laces hanging, all you have to do is adjust the toe box, the toes right here to your liking. But that's how you lace a Air Jordan 1 highs. Thank y'all for rocking with another video. I'm the average sneaker guy. Y'all let me know down in the comments down below how y'all lace y'all sneakers. And until then, turn on those notices. And don't forget to like this video. I'm out.